stack developer. A full stack developer is a software developer who is proficient in both front-end and back-end development. This means that they have a solid understanding of the technologies and programming languages used to develop both the user-facing, front-end, and server-side, back-end, components of a web application or software product. A full stack developer is responsible for building and maintaining the entire stack of technologies required for a web application, from the user interface to the database and everything in between. This includes skills such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, server-side scripting languages like Python, Ruby, or PHP, as well as databases like MySQL or MongoDB. Job career for a full stack developer. Full stack web developer. This is the most common career path for a full stack developer. They can work for web development agencies, startups, or established businesses to build web applications and websites. Software engineer. Full stack developers can work as software engineers, developing and maintaining software applications that run on desktop or mobile devices. DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers are responsible for managing the entire software development lifecycle, from planning and coding to testing, deployment, and maintenance. Full stack developers can transition into this role, since they have a good understanding of both development and operations. Technical project manager. Full stack developers can leverage their technical skills and experience to manage software development projects, ensuring that they are completed on time, within budget, and meet the required quality standards. Entrepreneur. Full stack developers can use their skills to build their own web or mobile applications and start their own businesses. Web developer. A web developer is a professional who is responsible for the development, deployment, and maintenance of websites and web applications. They use programming languages and web development tools to create dynamic and interactive websites that can be accessed over the internet. Web developers also work on ensuring the website is optimized for performance, usability, and accessibility. They use various testing tools and techniques to identify and fix bugs, and optimize the website for search engines. Job career for a web developer. Front-end developer. This is a career path that focuses on creating the user-facing parts of a website or web application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Front-end developers can work for web development agencies, startups, or established businesses. Back-end developer. This career path involves developing the server side of a website or web application, which includes programming languages like PHP, Python, or Ruby, and managing databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB. Full stack developer. A web developer can transition into a full stack developer role, which involves working on both front-end and back-end development. User experience, UX, designer. Web developers with experience in front-end development can leverage their skills to pursue a career in UX design. They can work on creating the user interface and user experience for websites and web applications. Web content manager. A web developer can transition into a career in web content management, which involves managing the content on websites, ensuring that it is up-to-date, relevant, and engaging. Difference between full stack developer and web developer. The main difference between a full stack developer and a web developer is the scope of their responsibilities. While both roles involve developing web applications and websites, a full stack developer has a broader range of skills and responsibilities compared to a web developer. A web developer typically focuses on front-end development, which involves working on the user-facing parts of a website or web application. This includes creating web pages using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and ensuring that the website is optimized for usability and accessibility. In contrast, a full-stack developer is responsible for both front-end and back-end development. They work on the entire stack of technologies required for a web application, from the user interface to the database and everything in between. In summary, a web developer typically focuses on front-end development, while a full-stack developer has a more comprehensive skill set and is responsible for both front-end and back-end development.